All parties Hurriyat Conference leaders continue to greet Pakistan as well as the government of Pakistan on the Pakistan Day today. Illegally detained APHC leader Naeem Ahmed Khan, in a message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, said Pakistan has a political importance in the Muslim world and this country is center of hope not only for the Muslims of subcontinent but for the whole world. Delhi court has sent illegally detained Kashmiri rights activist Khurram Parvez and Kashmiri journalist Irfan Miraj to a 10-day custody of India's dreaded National Investigation Agency in a false case registered against him. The principal district and sessions judge Dharmesh Sharma allowed 10 days of custodial interrogation of Khurram Parvez and Irfan Miraj on two separate applications by the NIA for the 12 days custody of each of them. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, announcements were made from the mosques throughout the territory on Wednesday that Ramadan, the holy month of fasting, would commence from Thursday today. The announcement soon came after the Central Ruat-e-Halal Committee of Pakistan announced that the Ramadan moon was sighted and the first of the holy month will fall on Thursday. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has been sentenced to 2 years in jail in the defamation case against him for his "all thieves have Modi" surname remark. Rahul Gandhi was convicted by court in Surat city of the Indian state of Gujarat today. The case was filed against the Congress leader in 2019 by a Gujarat BJP MLA. Local Sikhs in Fort St. John City in Canada have called upon the residents to join the peaceful protests against human rights violations in India this weekend. The local Sikhs said since March 18, 2023, internet services have been suspended in the Indian state of Punjab as the authorities search for the pro-Khalistan leader Amritpal Singh and his associates. The police say he was able to slip away on Saturday during an attempt to arrest him and a group of his followers. The resolution passed on 23 March 1940 is the main driving force behind Kashmir freedom struggle, which is in fact a continuation of the Pakistan movement. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service in connection with the Pakistan Day today said Kashmir dispute is the unfinished agenda of the partition of the subcontinent, as Pakistanis and Kashmiris are tied in strong bonds of religion, history and culture. President Dr. Arif Alvi has said that the present situation of the Muslims in India and in occupied Kashmir proves that the Muslim leadership of the subcontinent was justified in the demand for a separate homeland for the Muslims.